went to New York for vacation. We had a ticket card to the airport. It was 7:30 at night. And we went to find our VIP plane on Jeff. Jeff gave us a VIP plane. He said, Good evening, everyone. I hope you have an awesome night in New York. We jumped into a taxi, saw big buildings. They were amazing. When they got to our hotel, our room is 199, said Emily. We unpacked. It was 8:10 at night. We had a wonderful night of touring and eating at fancy restaurants. We leave tomorrow, so we went back to our hotel to get our pajamas on. Miley, Emily, and I raced to bed. It was an awesome day yesterday, said Emily. When we got back home, they put a surprise party because they did not see Miley, Molly, and Emily for one day. We missed you, Miley, Molly, and Emily, everyone said. They had cake and welcome back stuff. It was a good day to come back, said Molly. The end. Bye, Molly.